All right, we're back with another video. Today we are going to be cleaning and doing a little adjustment on Denise's Cinelli Zydeco gravel bike. This is her go to work, go to tennis bike that she runs in all weathers at all times of the day. And yeah, she's been complaining that it isn't shifting well. And I'm looking at it and I'm not surprised. It's dirty as hell, but it's just dirty. So let's make a video of me cleaning it up a bit. This is just what I do. And I think that if people did this more frequently to their bikes, they'd avoid probably 95% of the problems that they have. And they'd know their bike real well, and they'd be able to see things before they broke and got worse. So let's get into it. Just a quick clean, and I'll do some editing because it's kind of boring. But I get satisfaction out of it personally. You get a nice clean bike when you're done. But yeah, and it just looks great. By the way, I'm wearing my new high quality apron, which I really like. It's kind of a tough material and protects your clothes. So, I've got me an apron. Plus, I'll certainly be losing all my tools and stuff in it. So I have to keep an eye out for that. Anyway, here we go. Let's get some wipes. I like using these little surface wipes. They work really well. And this Well, it's better. I think another round will make it better again, but geez. I don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, but I do have a sink, and I do have a brush. So, yeah, it's much better, but it's not great. Beautiful. Okay, this was a particularly tough one. As far as it took a lot longer than I expected, because there was a lot more to do. The rear derailleur hanger was bent, and that was keeping the bike from having its limits set properly. And I'd say the shifting has been close enough, but a bit wonky forever, because that cable routing was going on the wrong side of the retaining bolt. There's a little groove in a little washer that is cut flat on one side, so the washer can only go in one place, and the little groove is for the cable to sit when it clamps together. And well, the cable was on the opposite side of where the groove was, and should be in that little groove. So look, they designed these things for a reason. I don't know if it made that big a difference, but anyway, it's right now. The cable's in the correct spot that it should be. And the derailleur hanger is in the right spot that it should be. So the lower limit can be set, the upper limit can be set, and the chain is running straighter. I mean, it's a one-by system. It's going to move a bit. I mean, the chain line's going to be extreme at the ends, but it's better now than it was. And everything is clean. So we'll put it back together. Got a little bag here. I've got to put our lights back on it and stuff. But no, that's it for cleaning of the Cinelli. I should probably make a point to do this more often so it's not so difficult. But now all that's done, as long as she doesn't drop it or stack things on it when she loads it in her car, it should be okay. And so if it isn't, I can fix it. So that's it for this video, I think. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and give me some suggestions on what you think I could do better, cleaning bikes or anything. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.